Yeah.
Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having Vietnamese food.
Yes, because First Lady always asks me why. Because you know why?
Why we having Vietnamese food?
Yo, man, stop asking me that. Because it's
Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building. Family, we was going to go live, but we couldn't do it.
Yes.
We couldn't fix the camera. No cap.
No cap. So what I have here is I have pho, and it has beef. It has raw beef. It has You see what happens when you try to rush and eat your food?
Let me lick it off.
It has rice noodles. It has onions, jalapeno,
everything,
mint. It has a meatball. It has pork.
Yes, because she didn't want to give me none. And then
steak.
What if she don't eat it all if I can't even get none?
And then I have the broth right here, guys. Nice and piping hot. Yes. And this is my first time trying this. I've never had pho before. We have some garlic wings. We also have some shrimp wrapped in egg roll or spring roll.
Yeah, spring roll.
Okay.
Right.
And then Richie has some fried rice with some barbecue spear rib tips and salad on the side.
Yes, family.
Okay.
Expensive meal.
It's expensive. This doesn't look like. Let me tell you something. If I tell you the price, you'll say, "What?" I'm not even gonna say the price.
If we tell you the price of this, you gonna say, "Wow." What? Worth it?
I don't know. It's tasty though.
Happy Friday, family. We're here.
This right here, I know how to make this. I'm gonna make this one day on the channel.
Look at the wings. Make a seed.
I've made it before.
I make a seed in a long time. What kind of wings is that again? I didn't hear what you said, but it's all good.
Garlic wings.
Not bad.
That's good. When I was pregnant with Tamia.
When? If you listen.
I worked at the store, and next door was a nail salon, and they made it one day, and they brought us some, and I fell in love with it ever since. So much so that I went home and made it. I haven't made it in a long time, so I'm gonna make it again.
Family.
It's good. I'm gonna need some more seasoning, man.
Yep. Me and First Lady went out to hang out. I went to some room, family. The AC would have killed me.
Yeah.
Tough up.
He has the sniffles.
It's good though.
It's good, but I want to order the wings again.
You like it?
There's no seasoning.
What's the one?
I don't know. You came with this, but you can try it. See how it tastes.
Some black sauce. Pick up and try. Strong.
That means you don't like it. I'm gonna pour it in, you know?
Wow, that looks good.
That's how it goes, just like that. You want to cover everything?
Okay. Wow.
Yes. Let me close it in case I'm not. Oh! I didn't even tell you guys. And then I have a lychee drink with passion lychee, and then it has mango stuff in it.
You check it out.
It's good.
Got passion fruit in there, mango.
That's good.
You get your mango?
It's sweet.
Chunks of mango in there. Okay.
It's good.
Wow.
This place is new in our area. Oh, wait a minute.
What?
Okay.
There's one. Shut it.
A spoon. I know I brought a spoon in here. So, what you guys got planned for the weekend?
Nothing.
Nothing. My kind of weekend.
They ain't got nothing going on. They know they can't even lie this week.
Try your stuff and rice.
Family. Y'all can't lie this week. Y'all ain't got nothing going on. I know that. Want to taste my beef?
You taste it?
Finish that first.
You ain't taste it yet? You taste it first.
That ain't the vegetable. Okay. And plus, it's soft.
I had made that one time too. I make a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Just give it a blueprint.
Yeah, but this is
Very good.
tastes good. I don't like the mint. You give me too much mint flavor.
Family, not me. I'm
want
thinking something
pepper.
that I like.
The mint is good. I just don't want to overpower the the foe. Ooh. This broth is really good.
What's that, mice do? Broth good?
Yeah, the broth is good.
Okay. The rice, family, the rice is nice.
You want to taste the broth? Because it's just beef broth. Oh, because it's got pork in it. My bad.
Not my own. The beef is good. Take some rice. Yeah.
Richie was in the store complaining. He was like, man, how long is this going to take? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I said, this guy is always hungry.
Family, I am.
Always.
This is good.
Ooh. Trying to.
And they ain't take that long with it neither.
They didn't.
Yeah. Yes. You know I was gonna ask, what? Yeah, of course. When y'all try this, what y'all try? Cause I know y'all be eating a lot of stuff. That's how we know about stuff.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? How y'all tell us about when y'all go there, what y'all try?
I like these noodles, these rice noodles.
You like it? Yo, it had to come with the pork in there? Right. You gonna tell me you didn't want it? So what you got pork for then?
Because you're too greedy.
Family,
This is their meatball.
if I knew she could have get it without pork, I'd tell her. I don't like the soupy stuff, family.
Yeah. I'm trying to get the noodles to separate. That's what I'm doing.
But it do look good though. That's like what you get when you go to the Chinese store.
Right. It just has more stuff. The broth is really good.
Sorry, family. We got caught up yesterday too.
Yesterday, we did go fishing.
But guess what? Let him know. It went down.
We had a great time. We was gonna record, but we told you we was. What?
Family?
Family.
We was out there fishing, family.
We forgot.
We forgot. No, we forgot. We couldn't even get to the camera.
We couldn't even, for real, we couldn't get to the camera.
We couldn't even get to the camera, family. But if y'all want to see a fish fry or something, let us know.
Yep.
So we do got fish. Okay?
We was very close to catching a what?
Shark. Family. Real cap. Listen. I caught my fish.
This story is crazy.
Tell you the story what happened with the shark. So I threw my, you alright?
Jalapeno hot.
Yeah. I threw my line out, right, family? So, we are chilling. Waiting.
I think this sauce is supposed to be in here.
Right? So my line dip. I said, alright, I'm gonna give them more time to let them go and chew on it, you know? Family, it dipped again. I said, alright. Once you dip the second time, I just yanked it. You see when I yanked it, family? It started running, whistling. My friends look at each other like, what the hell I got in my line? I knew it was a fish though, right? But I never knew the fish could run so fast in water. So So he's running my line just whistling past me. I'm there giving it drag, whistling, winning. So it ran down straight. So I said, this fish is running out too straight. I thought it was gonna, you know what I mean?
Like it was it was running too fast.
Too fast. Family, you see when I went out, the fish closed? The fish was like, get me out of the water, get me out of the water. Get me out, I'm whining. Family, 2 big sharks. I'm talking big sharks. Went after it. Yep. When they went after it, I pulled it a little bit so they missed it. Sorry, I couldn't help that little
And I'm
fish.
screaming, get the fish, get the fish.
Yep.
Because it was a snapper dapper.
It was a snapper, family. And I said, damn, can't help you on that one. What? The shark just dipped. Took all my line.
The sinker, the
weight,
hook, everything, the weight.
Everything that shark took.
My gosh.
That's why the line was whistling like that, because it was running for its life.
We couldn't help it.
Couldn't help it, family.
The fish said, I'd rather go with you than with the shark.
No, serious. But family, we caught fish. It was a good outing. We couldn't, because you know, our hand would be fishy and to be recording, but we're going to do a fish thing for y'all.
It just, when we do record, it's like Richie said, it's a little bit harder because our hands are fishy.
Yeah, but we definitely got fish, so what kind of fish I want to see? Let us know. Good, right? You like it?
I like it.
Oh, that's good.
I like it.
I love mine.
I see.
I like the wing too. You like the wing?
I like the wing.
Yeah.
The wing.
Oh, good.
More flavor. I mean, once you put the sriracha sauce on it, it's good.
Our first time trying it. I'll go back. You go back?
But when I buy so much food, my you, I buy one thing.
I mean, this was expensive, but here what? It was worth it.
It was good. First time having pho. I like it.
First time having Vietnamese food.
Vietnamese food.
Nice restaurant, big, it's clean.
Clean, modern.
Modern.
The guy was taking our order. He ain't write nothing down. Me and Richie looking like, and Richie said, "You're not gonna write this down?" And he was like, "No." Oh, damn. Everything was right though.
Everything was right. He remembered everything.
But the good thing is that the menu's not that big. So.
But, yeah. Big or not, I wouldn't remember that. I couldn't be a waitress, family. How'd I get everybody food wrong? That's what I first said that. That's not my type of job, cause I would get everything wrong.
He wouldn't. Here's the thing. I'm gonna be honest, because I know Richie. He wouldn't get it wrong. He would just ask people them over like about 3-4 times each. So you want this, right?
You charge too much money.
You want this, right?
Don't charge too much. Yeah, I tell people I'll ask stuff over and over for.
That's what he would do. He would say, so you say you want beef with rice and with fried rice?
You're right. I will do that.
Okay. And you wanted soup. Okay. And a Coke. Okay.
Yes. Just
so
like
you wanted the Coke, right? The fried rice.
Family, yo, stop telling people my business, my youth.
And then,
family, for real enough, family, that's how I am. See?
Yep.
No.
It'll take too long.
And when I come back, I'm still gonna say, that's what you ordered, right?
And come back and he's gonna come back and say, you bit your tongue. Oh my gosh, Tom. The family members getting tired of you biting your tongue now. They said they don't want to see it anymore. Wayne, you okay? Did you try that sauce?
I don't know what it is. Greedy.
It might taste good. Just dip your fork in there.
I like that smell.
Is it cilantro? Like a cilantro sauce?
Like lemon. Try it. You tell me you're gonna try it, right? And you don't wanna try it?
Oh, no, I don't like that.
No,
I'm not sure what it's for, but...
I'll be for the food. But yeah, family.
Maybe it's for the,
No, not for my work.
It came in your plate. Or maybe it's dressing.
Well, it's too late now, but yeah.
Oh Lord.
Right? This is good.
Their food is very light. Like the pho. You eat this?
Yo, you know if I like spring roll them. I want spring roll eating them.
I'm not gonna say you want none. That take too long, Mario?
Come in. See them, all the spring roll. Camera. I would just charge the camera. No. Yes, we always talk about the camera. Yes, we do. We don't get a different camera.
Eventually.
Yeah, eventually.
Probably for Black Friday because this ain't gonna work.
For Black Friday. But not right now. We need a good camera. That you can see us close and in person, you know? But this camera is tricky. It's fully charged yesterday.
Fully charged. Because you brought it with us. So I don't know what this problem is.
Fully charged, now it's blinking, but it's good. It's not gonna turn off. We're gonna upgrade.
They should give me more jalapeno.
You like the soup here?
Jalapeno.
She really like it from me. She going hard.
Because the jalapeno, next time, I'll ask for more. Because every time I eat something, I will bite a piece of jalapeno to give it that spiciness. You understand?
I like the barbecue sauce right there.
Oh, yeah. How was your food?
You gonna see? Look. You gonna have to tell me. You gonna touch my food and look at the plate. I didn't like it. I finished it. Wow. That AC messed me up, man.
Yeah. You gotta go take a nice nap. Oh!
Yeah.
Jalapenos. It's hot. Jalapenos hit or miss.
Yeah?
You could bite one, and it's not so hot, and the next one is hot. Ooh. Yeah, I'm full now.
It's nice, but
Want to
sweet.
taste some?
I drink some of here.
Very sweet.
You want some more juice?
Oh. Once you mix it up,
Have a look.
especially with the ice.
First day you touch up my hair for me. You like it? She did a good job, right?
Oh Lord.
I know, yeah, I do.
I'm like, I used to be a barber.
Yeah. First, I used to cut my hair. When I had my dread.
Yep. And he never paid me.
Yeah, but everybody know that before because everybody been here when I had dread. So if I haven't been here when I had dread, first you just give me some tape up.
Yep.
First day with my barber.
This sauce is good, especially with the beef.
This sauce on the steak is good. This is good.
Very good.
Shout out to my people from Vietnamese.
Vietnam.
So go. We always saw this place, but like what? We never went. We finally went.
The noodles right here is my favorite. I love these noodles. I'm gonna start buying them. And it's easy because to make this. Like if you have leftover bones from a beef or chicken, you just basically make a stock. Or you buy a good quality stock in the store. Get your noodles, your rice noodles, get your beef, your vegetables, you put in a bowl and you put the hot broth on it. That's it. It's simple.
Oh, so it's basically broth.
Yeah. You know, if you don't want to have to go to the Vietnamese store,
Yo, this whatever barbecue sauce they put on this thing, it's nice. I love it.
It's just a Chinese store? Better? Oh.
If I could have chewed the bone up, I would chew. Alright, family. Appreciate y'all for rocking with us.
We want this camera cut out.
Yeah. Yes. We're gonna do a live soon. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm gonna give you a good people this word. Word of the day, family. Listen up right now. Okay. Family, at some point you have to realize that some people can stay in your heart, but not in your life.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. You
That's
like
a good one.
I'm just gonna relate it to them again.
You got hard for the camera cut
I'm
out.
gonna relate it to you again because this camera be tripping. Family, listen. At some point, you have to realize that some people can stay in your heart, but not in your life. If you could relate, relate. You know what I'm saying? I'll participate. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. For everybody that's new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, the one and only. And they are?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Whoa.